Hello guys, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam and in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign in to your Hyperwallet account. For this you wanna go to the browser and open your browser. Then you wanna go to the Google page and search for Hyperwallet login. Here you can see the portal to log in to your Hyperwallet. You press on it, accept the cookies. As you can see, this is the login page. What you want to do is enter the account ID, the user ID, and the password. After this you can press login to log in. If you forgot your password you can click here and it's easy option to add this one, remember me, so next time all the info is already filled in. I hope this tutorial helped you out guys. See you in the next one.